Every time you take a photo, hundreds of precisely manufactured parts work together in a fraction of a second. Behind that moment is a long and carefully controlled factory process. A modern camera may look simple from the outside, but inside it is a tightly engineered system made from hundreds of precision parts. Each component is manufactured and assembled under carefully controlled conditions. This is how cameras are made. Camera production begins with the outer housing. Manufacturers use aluminum alloys or reinforced plastics chosen for strength, heat resistance, and low weight. The parts are formed using CNC machining or injection molding, depending on the design. After shaping, the surfaces are cleaned, finished, and sometimes anodized or coated for protection. Each piece is measured to confirm that it meets strict dimensional tolerances. One of the most important parts of a camera is the image sensor. Sensors are produced in semiconductor fabrication plants using silicon wafers. These facilities operate as clean rooms where air particles are filtered to prevent contamination. Layers of light-sensitive material and circuitry are added to the wafer through photolithography. Once complete, the wafer is cut into individual sensors, which are tested for defects, noise levels, and color accuracy. Lens manufacturing is a separate precision process. Optical glass is melted and molded or cut into rough lens shapes. Each lens element is then ground and polished until its surface is perfectly smooth and accurately curved. Anti-reflective coatings are applied in vacuum chambers to reduce glare and improve light transmission. Multiple lens elements are assembled in a precise order, as even minor alignment errors can affect image quality. Inside the camera, electronic circuit boards control most functions. Automated machines place microprocessors, memory chips, and connectors onto printed circuit boards using solder paste and heat. These boards manage autofocus, image processing, stabilization, power control, and data storage. After assembly, each board is tested to ensure correct electrical performance. Mechanical components are also carefully manufactured. Shutter mechanisms are built from thin metal blades, designed to open and close in milliseconds. These parts are tested for speed and durability, often rated for hundreds of thousands of cycles. Buttons, dials, and switches are added and tested to ensure consistent pressure and response. During final assembly, technicians combine the body, sensor, shutter, and electronic boards into a single unit. The lens mount is installed in a line to ensure the correct distance between the lens and sensor. Internal cables and connectors are routed carefully to avoid interference or damage during use. Once assembled, the camera enters quality control. Each unit is tested for focus accuracy, exposure, color reproduction, and mechanical reliability. Test images are captured and analyzed to confirm that the camera meets performance standards. Cameras that fail testing are adjusted or removed from the production line. After passing inspection, the camera is cleaned, packaged with accessories, and prepared for shipping. From raw materials to a finished product, the manufacturing process relies on precision, consistency, and careful inspection at every stage.